Creating an ebook in Visme is simple and professional. Here's how to do it in a few steps. Log into Visme. Visit visme.co and log into your account. Create an account if you're new. Start a new project. Click Create New and select Document as your project type. Browse through the available templates and pick an ebook template that suits your content. Customize the ebook design. Use the drag and drop editor to modify the template. Replace placeholder text with your content, including titles, chapters, and body text. Add visuals like images, icons, and illustrations from Visme's content library or upload your own. Customize fonts, colors, and layouts to match your ebook's theme. Add interactivity. Insert links, videos, or animations to make your ebook engaging. Use page transitions for a professional feel. Review and finalize. Preview the ebook to ensure all content and design elements look polished. Download or share. Export your ebook as a PDF or interactive HTML5 file. Share it via a link or embed it on your website.